Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Supreme Tutorials. So today's question is exercise 1A, question number 4. Find the amount of bill for the following intra-state transaction of goods and services. The GST rate is 5%. So here intra-state means the transaction is going on within the state. That means we take CGST and SGST. So here number of items are given, each item price is given, then discount percentage is given. With the help of this we have to make bill amount, total billing amount including GST and excluding discount. So let's get started. So here quantity, number of items, then MRP, then discount percentage is given. Here question number 4, this is, so quantity is given 18, 24, 30 and 12. Then MRP of each item per item is given, then discount percentage is given. So we have to calculate now total billing amount. So here quantity, MRP, then total MRP, discount percentage, discounted amount, then selling price, CGST and SGST. We need these things. So let's get started. So first one is quantity is 18. So per item is 150. So 150 into 18, which is equal to 2700 total MRP of that particular item. So they are giving 10% discount on total MRP. So 2700 into 10%. So 10 upon 100, which is equal to 0 into 0 get cancelled. So 270 is discount. So now total MRP minus discounted amount will get selling price, because this we have to deduct discount, then we get selling price. So total MRP minus discount is equal to selling price, that is 2700 minus 270 will get 2430 rupees is selling price of that item, particular item. Then here they are collecting GST 5%. So intra-state transactions, so therefore we take CGST and SGST. So 5% means CGST 2.5%, SGST 2.5%. So now 2430 into 2.5%, 2 upon 100. So you can calculate 2430 into 2.5%, you will get CGST. So CGST and SGST is always same, because we divide these two into equal part. So CGST, so on to selling price 2430 into 2.5%, you will get 60 rupees 75 paisa GST, CGST and SGST. So this is one item. Then come to second item. So second item quantity is given 24. Number of items is 24. Each item price is 240. So now take second item. Item number is 24, quantity is 24, each is 240. So 240 into 24 will get total MRP amount 5760. So discounted percentage is 20%. So 5760 into 20%, you will get discounted amount, that is 1152. So now selling price, total MRP minus discounted amount will get selling price, that is 4608. Now 4608 into 2.5%, that is 115.20 paise GST. So this is second item. Then come to next item. So item quantity is 30, per quantity is 100. So 30 into 100, which is equal to 3000. Total MRP, discount is giving 30%. So 3000 into 30%, which is equal to 900 rupees is discount. So now total MRP minus discounted amount is selling price, that is 2100. So on 2100, 2.5% CGST and SGST, that is 32 rupees 50 paisa, 52 rupees 50 paisa. So next come to next item. Item number of item is 12. So 12, rate is 180. 12 into 180, which is equal to 1440. So rate is 120. 12 into 120, which is equal to 1440. Discounted percentage 20%. So 1440 into 20%, which is equal to 288 rupees discounted amount. So now total MRP minus discounted amount is 1152. 1152 into 2.5% will get CGST and SGST, that is 28 rupees 80 paisa. CGST and SGST is 28 rupees 80 paisa. So now total amount that salesman collect, the total amount is total selling price plus total of CGST plus total of SGST. So 3 column total. Sum of these 3 columns is total billing amount. So total billing amount of selling price is 10,290. Including that CGST is 257.25 SGST. So these 3 the salesman collects from the buyer. Selling price with CGST and SGST. So now we'll calculate the total amount, total billing amount. So total billing amount is equal to total of selling price plus total of CGST and SGST, because here we are taking CGST and SGST because the transaction is intrastate. Intrastate means this transaction is are selling or purchasing within a state, therefore we take CGST and SGST. If it is out of state, then we take IGST. So amount of bill is equal to selling price plus CGST plus SGST or else GST. So total of selling price is 10,290 plus GST is 257. So 257 plus 257.25 CGST and SGST. So which is equal to 10,804 rupees 50 paisa. So total billing amount including GST is 10,804 rupees 50 paisa.